Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see the spiral, which is the special type of the grid line, and I've applied it before starting the recording of this video in case to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So if we are on the camera, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got Restore Defaults, so simply tap on it, tap on Restore Defaults, and actually nothing happened. But we can go back to the camera, and as you can see, we cannot see this golden line, the grid lines, and this is the evidence that the reset option worked and all of the settings have been reset to their defaults. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your REALME GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.